If you have just completed your 12th and planning to enter into a department with geoscience, earth science as one of your specializations, then there are numerous opportunities for you. And of course, you might be surprised to know that some of the best departments in geoscience worldwide are from China. So China do offers good opportunity with the students with geosciences. Now, if we focus on the best departments of geosciences, not to miss, Caltech, California Institute of Technology is one such department. If I talk about China, there are numerous institutes. For example, China is University of Geosciences in Wuhan, Wuhan University itself, Tsinghua University. Then you have Peking University in Beijing. So those are some of the best universities in China. In France, it is University Paris Saint. Again, a very important center for geoscience studies and has been, we could say, the cradle for the origin for geosciences. The whole of the Europe, the studies in and around France and Germany were the leading researchers in geography and geosciences domains in the early areas, and then it is spread to other parts of the world. So those are, we could say, the founding centers of geosciences. Then in United States, if you want to pursue your degree in geoscience, MIT does offer good courses. Then there is University of Colorado at the Boulder Center, which offers good courses. Columbia University and University of Washington, UWash Seattle campus does offer good courses in geosciences. So those were some of the best courses in geosciences. And specifically, if you are targeting to a continent specific area, let's say you want to go for higher studies in Europe or you want to go for higher studies in United States, then we would be covering the respective departments in next session. Stay tuned for further updates. Thanks for joining in.